Hey everyone, this is Mold Merchant. Now, today I have for you guys a really cool game, actually. And this video is sponsored by them. It's called World of Warships. So you can see here that it's a fun game that you're basically controlling your own warship. You're in the ocean and you're fighting against other people. It's a multiplayer game, and it's actually really interesting. But before I show you guys this game, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mold Merchant YouTube channel. Alright, so you can see here that it's called World of Warships, and basically this whole game is really cool and interesting. So what it is, it's a really huge game, and through World of Warships, what you do is you basically control some very historical and iconic warships and other sea vessels. So you can see here that this is a submarine that you're able to control. And what you do is, as you play the game, as you beat other people, what you can do is you can unlock new ships that will allow you to become even stronger and to become a better player. You can see that they have like a lot of different things going on. They have like a mini map. They have some directionality control of your boats. You can see where things are, how far away you are from certain objects, to the objectives. And you can also communicate with your teammates in order to plan out your attack and make sure that you guys can be the most successful team in the game. And beyond that, there's also always something new that you can do. So it never gets boring, it never gets old. There's always something fresh, new updates that allow you to have more fun. And you can see there that there's like little fireballs that come out. So basically, with each update, you get new missions, you get just general game updates, and there's also different events that will keep you interested and engaged in the game. So it's super fun. You can see here that someone's shooting out a missile right now from their submarine. And yeah, it's like, I really like the look of this game personally. Like the submarines themselves, the boats themselves, and also just like the whole landscape, the whole environment is really nice and interesting, and it's very appealing to the eye. It's pleasing. So there's actually a way that you can make money from this, and I'm going to go through that right now. Alright, so if you go to their website here, it's called worldofwarships.com. It's made by a really popular game developer. You can see here they have made like the World of Tanks, which is super popular. They've made World of Warplanes, and so on. So if you go to their website, and I'll also link this in the description below, you can see here that you can look at all their latest updates, latest news. They always have something going on. Like I said, there's many different things that you can do. They have different events going on, especially for like the summer. They have like a summer sale, they have July missions, and they have XP discounts, missions, and more. That was for 4th of July. And now if you go down to this section here where you play with friends, you can conquer the seas together with your friends, and you can also receive gifts. And these gifts can actually be Amazon gift cards. They include Amazon gift cards. So if you go here, you can see that there's a recruiting station, and what you do is you can invite friends using this station, and then you'll collect recruitment points. And if you play with your friends in a division, then you can earn more. And then what you do is you exchange your recruitment points for unique recruiting station containers. So in these containers, what you can get is, like I said, recruitment points. You can also get cash back. So you can get 10% of the cost of purchases made by your shipmates, as in the people that you recruit, rewarded to you in the form of doubloons, which is the currency used in the game. And now they also have, like I said, you can make money from this, and this is where it is. They have, for a limited time, they're teaming up with Amazon to get more rewards, so you can get actually $10 to $20 in Amazon credit for every person that you recruit that achieves their milestone. And also, if you're a top recruiter, which means you get a lot of recruits, then you have a shot at winning an Amazon credit worth of $10,000, which is a whole lot of money. So that's really nice. And also, every time you recruit somebody, what they'll get is they get a reward for their first battle. So they get this port slot. They get a 7 days Warship premium account, and for their first battle played with a tier 6 ship, they also get this another port slot. They get 7 days of premium again. They get 5 million credits. They get 25 signal flags, and they get 5 more resources containers. And also for those who return to the game after being absent for 9 days or more, then you can get 14 days premium and also 2 super containers. So like I said, there's a lot of rewards you can get just for recruiting people. So yeah, this is a really fun game, and I highly recommend that you download it and you play it because it's really popular too, so it's never going to die out. You're always going to have games to play. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe for more tips on maximizing your income online and at home.